A right circular cone is exactly fitted inside a cube in such a way that the edges of the base of the cone are touching the edges of one of the faces of the cube, and the vertex is on the opposite face of the cube. If the volume of the cube is 343 cubic centimeter, what approximately is the volume of the cone? Now there is this cube. There is this cube, and the question is telling me that there is a cone that is exactly fitted inside a cube in such a way that edges of the base of the cone are touching the edges of one of the faces of the cube. So edges of the base of the cone are touching one of the side of the cube. So the base of the cone will be something like this. All right, and the vertex is on the opposite face of the cube. The vertex of the cone is on the opposite side of the cube. So the vertex is over here, touching the surface of the cube. So we draw cone like this. Now this entire thing here will be the diameter, and this will be the diameter, and this here will be the height of the cube. All right, so the visualization is clear here, right? Question is asking us if the volume of the cube is 343 centimeter cube. Now volume of cube is given to us as 343 centimeter cube. What approximately is the volume of the cone? All right, so let's assume that A is the length of the side of the cube, and we know that the formula for calculating volume of cube is A cube. All right, so A cube is equals to 343. Now A here will be cube root of 343, and cube root of 343 is 7. All right, now we have the value of A here, or I can say that the side of the cube here is 7. Now this diameter here will also be equals to 7, because this diameter and this side here are parallel. So we know that diameter is 7. Then what will be the radius here? It will be half of the diameter. So the radius here will be 7 by 2. I'll write it here. Radius here will be 7 by 2. Now the height of the cone here will be the same as the side of the cube. So height here will be 7. All right. And we know that the formula for calculating volume of cone here is 1 by 3 pi r square h. All right. So let's substitute the values here. We get 1 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into h is 7. All right. So 7 7 gone. 2 1s are 2 11s are 2 3s are 6 5, and 11 into 3.5 will give me 269.5 divided by this 3. So we get 3 8s are 24, 3 2 remaining, 3 9s are 0.8s again. So we have our answer, which is 89.8, or I can say that this is approximately equals to 90, and this is our required answer, and option B here is the correct one.